Hey everyone, it's Julie here with Tip Ranks. Today we're taking a look at 3 strong buy tech stocks under $10 per share. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Today we've narrowed in on 3 stocks in the technology sector, all priced under $10 per share with a strong buy consensus and price targets that would imply some double-digit upside potential. So today we're going to take a look at these companies, what it is that they do, and of course what those Wall Street analysts are predicting for the stock's future. We found these companies using TipRank's Stock Screener. Found right at the top of the screener menu, we put in a few different filters today, including upside over 20%, strong buy consensus from Wall Street analysts, the tech sector, and a price of under $10 per share to get our list of companies down below. You can try the screener for yourself on the TipRanks website or right on the TipRanks mobile app, which you can download using links in the description below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Now let's dive right into our 3 strong buy tech stocks. For our first stock today, we're taking a look at Priority Technology Holdings. They trade under the ticker PRTH, currently priced at $7.13. The stock has seen some volatility the past year. Overall, it's up 28% in a 1-year period, but year-to-date is down 39%. Over the last 3 months, it's fairly flat, up 0.7%. Priority Tech is a US-based fintech company specializing in payment processing and banking solutions. They provide integrated platforms that help businesses collect, store, and send money more efficiently through their proprietary Priority Commerce Engine. Founded back in 2005, the company is headquartered in Georgia and focuses on merchant acquiring and commercial payment services for small and medium-sized enterprises. They emphasize quick implementation, risk reduction, and industry-specific tools for sectors like sports and events. They'll be sharing their next quarterly earnings report in a couple of weeks near the start of November. This follows a Q2 earnings and revenue beat back near the start of August, where the company also narrowed their full-year guidance. Q2 earnings per share of 26 cents came in 9 cents ahead of analysts' expectations, while revenue climbed to $239.8 million, beating by $680,000. They reported a 9% increase in their net revenue, a 13% increase in adjusted gross profit, and a 9% improvement in adjusted EBITDA. Looking forward, the company revised their full-year guidance to $970 million to $990 million. Following that earnings report, we did hear from an analyst at TD Cowen. They raised their price target on the stock, saying that they delivered a solid Q2, beating across revenue, GP, and EBITDA, reflecting good execution amid mostly stable trends. The stock currently has 5 analyst ratings, coming in as a strong buy with 4 buys and 1 hold. The average price target of $11.50 implies an upside potential of 61%. Looking at those price targets down below, on the low end we do have our AI analyst with the hold rating and an upside of 5%, while our high-end price target is $16 from B. Riley with an upside of 124%. For our second strong buy tech stock, we're taking a look at PowerFleet. Trading under the ticker AIOT, they're currently priced just above $5 per share. Overall, in the past year, they're just up a couple percent, while year-to-date they are down 24%. In the last 3 months, they have gained nearly 13%. PowerFleet is a global leader in artificial intelligence of things, or AIoT, software as a solution services for mobile asset management. And yes, that is a bit of a mouthful, but basically the company specializes in IoT and machine-to-machine technologies to secure, control, track, and optimize high-value enterprise assets. Their platform ingests, harmonizes, and integrates data from diverse sources to deliver actionable insights, focusing on efficiency, safety, and cost savings. Their solutions include telematics and fleet management, asset tracking, freight visibility, safety and video technology, and sustainability support. We are still about a month away from their next quarterly report in mid-November. This follows a mixed Q1 back in August, where they did fall short on earnings, but had a solid revenue beat and an increase to their full-year revenue guidance. Their Q1 loss per share of 8 cents was 7 cents wider than was anticipated, but revenue did climb 38% year over year to $104 million, which beat by over $900,000. They achieved $11 million of annualized savings in their first quarter and saw their AI video bookings grow 52% quarter over quarter. Looking forward, the company is anticipating revenue to be in the range of $430 to $440 million. Near the end of September, we did hear from a 4.5-star analyst from Barrington who reiterated their buy with a pretty bullish price target. They said that PowerFleet's large market opportunity is underscored by a $120 billion total addressable market, driven by the demand for unified operations in fleet and industrial equipment management. They've also secured significant new business deals with a notable increase in AI video bookings and a strong pipeline with major channel partners. The PowerFleet stock has 8 current analyst ratings with 7 buys and 1 hold, giving it an overall strong buy consensus. The average price target of $10 implies an upside potential of 98%. Looking at those price targets down below, on the low end, we do have a hold from the TipRanks AI analyst with an upside of 9%, and the high-end price target is $15 from that Barrington analyst. That's an upside of 197%. If you've made it all the way to our third stock today, then do me a favor and make sure you've hit that thumbs up button. Last but not least, we're taking a look at Adtran. Trading under the ticker ADTN, they're currently priced at $9.15 per share. The stock has gained 52% overall in the past year, and in the last 3 months is down slightly at 1.2%. Adtran is a provider of open networking and communications platforms, services, and softwares with a focus on the broadband access market. They design and deliver cutting-edge fiber, 5G, and cloud connectivity platforms that power high-speed internet, voice, video, and data for service providers, enterprises, utilities, and governments worldwide. From gigabit broadband to edge computing, Adtran drives the future of communications, scalable, secure, and innovative. They'll be sharing their third quarter results in a couple of weeks on November 3rd. For their second quarter back in August, earnings were in line with expectations, while the company did boast record revenue growth. Earnings per share came in neutral at 0, which was in line with expectations, while revenue climbed 17% year over year to $265 million. That beat analyst expectations by $4.5 million. They also saw their optical networking solution revenue grow by 22% year over year, and their access and aggregation revenue increased by 30%. A few weeks ago, we had a 5-star analyst from B. Riley initiate coverage on the stock with a buy. They said that Adtran is a leading provider of broadband network equipment serving a diverse customer base. Recent industry data indicates that demand has recovered, and Adtran is positioned to capitalize on the current cycle with its access and optical businesses. With 6 current analyst ratings, Adtran does come in as a strong buy with 5 buys and 1 hold. And their average price target comes in at $12.20 for an upside potential of 33%. Looking at those price targets down below, on the low end, we do have a hold rating from the AI analyst with a slight downside at 1.6%, while our high-end price target does come from B. Riley at $16 for an upside of nearly 75%. So that is a quick look at 3 tech stocks, all priced under $10 per share with a strong buy consensus from Wall Street analysts. Let me know your thoughts on these companies, and if any of them caught your eye, I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Of course, please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, so please make sure you're always doing your own research and due diligence. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.